Alright guys, so first round I won. So let's do like first to 5. Okay, so they're gonna go up and touch the house and I'm gonna go find a spot to hide. So, oh, I know a good spot, guys. Right there is where I'm gonna hide. I do need to reload though. We have 11 rounds. So, should be good. So over there's where they're gonna be coming. This is what I'm sort of looking like in here. So we're just basically in just a big fallen down tree. You can see this whole place along the bottom. This kid is not hitting me. Oh, he's down there. That was a hit. Ethan, that was definitely a hit. What did they get? Why didn't they bring the sniper? Is that a hit? Yes, it was. That was a hit. I hit you in the shoulder. That hurt an elbow. We still behind. I'm gonna give the camera to Zach. Oh yeah. Wow. Look at him. Easton, put your mask on. What is this absolutely amazing fight? Huh? Absolutely amazing fight right now.
Zach, can you get me that?
No, I'm a cameraman now. Alright, got him. Again. Another win. Trusty pistol.